Hi, welcome to today's episode of Gill Construction Solutions, Ask Annie. Today, let's talk about flooring that would be good to use in your bathroom. One of the most important things to consider is safety when you're selecting a new floor for your bathroom. Sometimes safety means that we have to ignore the inspirational images or pictures that we've seen in high-end magazines or on Pinterest. Why? Well, a lot of those showcase impractical marble floors. And when you're stepping out of a tub or a shower with wet feet, that's not something we want to see happening to you. I don't want to be watching TV and see you in that commercial. Help! I'm falling! I can't get up! Now, we laugh at that commercial in my house, but reality is none of us want to be in that place. Some things we should avoid besides the marble tile in our bathroom would be carpet. No, that's from the 70s, and we learned that carpet soaks up water, it develops nasty odors, and it increases the risk of mildew and mold growing in your bathroom. Another option to rule out would be real wood and laminate flooring. Now, it's just unsuitable in your bathroom. It's beautiful to look at, but in a bathroom, over time, it warps or it can delaminate just from the exposure to water. Okay, so what is left? Well, let's look at slip-resistant ceramic tile that has a COF, or a coefficient of friction rating. COF stands for coefficient of friction. That means that if you step out of the bathroom, out of the tub, out of the shower with wet feet, or if water gets splattered onto that ceramic tile, it's much safer to walk on. So remember, if you're looking at ceramic tile for your flooring in the bathroom, make sure it has that COF rating. There are so many options available today in ceramic tile. Another option would be the luxury vinyl flooring, LVF. It comes in different types of planks nowadays, and there are so many choices that mimic the look of real wood, brick, slate, stone, and other items that you might like. Now, one good thing about the slip-resistant ceramic tile and the luxury vinyl flooring is they're both more affordable, they're easy to maintain, and they're durable over a long period of time. So I think those are some great options that you can consider. If you enjoyed today's episode, like our page, share our page, share our Ask Annie. My name is Annie Good. I've enjoyed bringing you value and insight into your upcoming remodeling projects. Bye for now.